Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and this is my review of the Rakk Ilis, ang bagong release ng Rakk Gears na mechanical keyboard. Shoutout to Rakk Gears for providing me with a unit. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala. So ayun, available na to ngayon for 1995 para sa Ultimo Blue variant, which is yung nasa akin ngayon, at 2395 para sa Gatron Yellow variant. One important thing to take note ay yung Ultimo Blue variant lang ng Ilis ang may swappable switches, while yung Gatron variant ay soldered ang switches. So mas recommend ko ang Ultimo Blue variant neto since na pwede kayong makapag-try ng ibang mechanical switches. Yung Gatron yellows ay pretty much identical sa reds, red switches, so maybe just buy the Ultimo variant and replace the switches with Ultimo reds or any other hot swappable switch in the market. The Rakk Ilis is 41 cm long, 16 cm wide, and 5 cm tall. It weighs 1.2 kilograms. First is build quality. Regardless of the price, A+ ang build quality ng Rakk Ilis. Hindi mo siya ma-flex at all kahit na wala yung magnetic cover, unless na lang siguro kung bodybuilder kayo, pero ayun. The material they use here I would describe as plastic on steroid, ewan ko. Pero yung main body niya ay all black, made out of plastic, and yung front plate ay metal, which may be the main contributor to the build quality. Pero yung white magnetic cover ay plastic din, which may be a selling point to certain people. Pwede nyo siyang drawingan, lagyan ng mga design and stickers to make it your own. Quick rundown on the keyboard and what's included in the box. The Rakk Ilis has ABS double shot keycaps, RGB lighting and key rollover, 1000 Hz polling rate, 4 rubber feet, 2 rubber kickstands, 6 feet braided cable, gold-plated USB connector, a keycap puller, an extra keycap, and an instruction manual. At walang switch puller. Ngayon, kung napanood nyo na almost lahat ng mga keyboard reviews ko, ilang beses nyo na sigurong narinig ang Ultimo Blues. Pero yun, quick sound test. Using the Rakk Ilis is good, no delay or input lag, although if you're gonna buy this, I suggest getting a wrist rest, especially in long typing or gaming sessions, as the keyboard is actually quite tall. And moving on to the main selling point of the Rakk Ilis. So kung napansin nyo kanina, naka-integrate yung navigation keys, which is usually located here with the numpad keys, making this a 96 key layout keyboard, which actually ngayon lang ako nakagamit. So this is a lot more compact than a full-size 104 key layout keyboard, but of course a bit bigger than a TKL1. Meron din siyang extra function key to the right of the pause break key, so press this to switch between TKL mode or numpad mode for productivity work. And I guess going into my two complaints with the Rakk Ilis, number one is I can't use the navigation keys and numpad keys simultaneously. For example, I play GTA Online in which I need to use them simultaneously, well, unless you have fast hands or you don't mind having to press the switch key a lot. Yeah, that's an important thing to consider. And two, since na parang ina-advertise ng Rakk Gears to as a portable keyboard that you can easily bring with you, sana detachable yung cable, which I guess is more of a nitpick for me. Ewan ko para sa inyo, pero ayun. And lastly, meron din tong Rakk Fine Tuner software to customize key functions, lighting, a game mode to disable Alt-Tab, Alt-F4, and Windows key, and assign macros. At suggestion na lang din siguro para sa Rakk Gears since na ang dami niya ng lineup of peripherals which uses a software. I would suggest making only one software like what Logitech does with their gaming software, in which it automatically detects which peripheral is connected to the user's PC. Kasi nakakalito din yung ang daming software na kailangan for different peripherals. Ayun, suggestion lang naman. Pero yun, hopefully nakatulong to sa inyo kung gusto nyo talaga tong bilhin. Pero kung ang kailangan nyo talaga ay full-size keyboard while not spending a lot more than this, I would recommend the Rakk Keymat XTLE or the Techwear Phantom, which also has swappable switches. You can buy the Rakk Ilis at ECPC stores, Lazada, or anywhere where they sell Rakk Gears. Links will be in the description. Comment section is open if you guys have any questions. So leave a like if you did, dislike if you feel like you have to, consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. Again, I'm currently using a temporary Lazada affiliate link, and you can also donate through PayPal to support the channel. Also, follow me on Twitter for updates and announcements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.